This is an Excel workbook that is there. You can go to the link will be provided there. You can download that this entire workbook from Tableau Public, and you can check it and keep on practicing. That entire workbook can be downloaded using that link. So, what is entire workbook has been designed here, and that design cut short the time, will explain you entire process that is done here. Okay, so the what is here is the first sheet that we have created a sheet for gender. In gender, we have used the the shapes. So we have got two shapes. Now the shapes has already been explained that the shapes are from the custom field. This custom field yeah, the value of this custom field is available in. So in your when you download the Tableau on your desktop or your laptop, you will be created a in your my document. You will be created a file that is called as Tableau repository. In the Tableau repository, there will be a file for images. Just you need to download the image from Google. Any images that you like to be displayed, and just copy paste those images in that repository, and it will be available in your custom. Okay, by default this custom application is not available, so when you are using this custom application, that will be available once you have put that thing into the repository. Okay, so we have just put the two images and put the count of the employees here in the date. Okay, so we have got in the column, so we have just got this gender. Okay, we'll come to this tooltip arrangement a little later in this video itself. How this tooltips on the filters has been created. Okay, now let's talk about the marital status. So we have got some people who are single in our database. Some are married and some are divorced. Okay, so again we have used the same way that we have used for case of gender. Okay, we have used the shapes here. Okay. Next is your department. So we in our data that is available, that has been download demi data that is available. We have got three department. Okay, we have got human resource department. We have got research and development and sales. Okay. Now here, before we go proceed further, I'd like to explain you a concept, important thing that is called tooltips in case of Tableau. Okay. Now tooltips is basically is if you see when we are talking about the Marata status, when we hover around the data. Okay, this is when you move around on the data or the visualization. This is called as hovering around. Okay, in technical terms, it is called as you hover around the data. Okay, so when we hover around the data, we see that we have got the display of the marital status, divorced, and count of the number of employees. Okay. Now, where does this information is coming to Tableau? This information is coming to the Tableau from the tooltip. Okay. Now in tooltip, when you click on the tooltip, you will find this that we have got written as marital status. Okay, and this marital status name is collected from the dimension itself. Okay, and count of the number if implied, there is a function of count CNT. Okay, so in case of when we are using the Excel, we have got count COUNT. Okay, in case of Tableau, the function is count. Okay, and we know that aggregation is possible only in case of measures. Okay, so we have got some measures here. So the count is on the measure. So employee number is a measure, and measure is aggregated on the basis of the count. Okay, so counting of has been done. So when we hover around, we get the tooltips. Okay. Now, good visualization actually, where if you put lots of visual, displayed and charts in a single visualization, it becomes odd. So what we can do is to use our custom tooltip to our maximum, so that we can have this value and depend. So once in the case of the department, okay, we have got human resource department, research and development, and sales. Okay. So the data are arranged in haphazard way. Okay. So what we can do is we can go to the department, go to sorting, and we can go on data sources in ascending order or descending order. So let's put it as a field. Okay, so we all the fields are arranged on the employee number in a descending order. So we have got treatment. So what can be done is, to in the case of tooltip, what I have entered is that we have added the sheet name here. Okay, so we can go to the insert and select the sheet that we want to display. Okay. Now we have entered two sheets here. Okay. So when we go and hover around, in case of department, we come to know in the case of research and development department, we have got 379 females and 582 males out of 961 total employees, and we have got 304 as single, 443 married, and 224 divorced. Okay, now let's go to again to our filter. Okay, now you see this filter here. Okay, now this tooltip department that is showing that we have got a sheet called department which is using this filter. Okay, this data, when we are selecting a particular, hovering around on a research and development, or we select the research and development only, this get triggered. Okay, and the filter works only on the department that has been selected. So if in 961 we have got 304, 443 and 224. Okay, so this will be filtered out in this particular thing. Okay, so this is the importance of filter. So whenever we are using the tooltips and this tooltip is using as a filter, now this filter will be automatically created. This is not you created. Okay, then it is forming a set. You see that there are two circles in form of this, so this is called as set. Now in this entire data, the employees, we have got a couple of countries here. Okay, now these countries are there. So we have got Thailand, we have got Malaysia, we have got Indonesia, and somewhere small Singapore we have also. Okay, so there are four countries for which the data are distributed. Okay. Now this is basically the map that is there. So when we put the country that is available here, in case of your, so you see the globe sign here. We were talking about the globe sign when it's so called a geo data. Okay, when it is a geo data, it will be a globe sign. So when we drag and drop the globe sign into the data, the longitude and latitude is already automatically generated. So you will find that longitude and latitude in the that has been generated in the measures. Okay, because you can do calculation on the longitude and latitude. So once that has been done, it creates a longitude and latitude by default. Okay, and then we can put the employee count of the employee number in the column. Sorry, in the colors. So what is the advantage of putting in the color is that it will create a what we call as the heat map. Now, heat map is that where we select some, for example, when iron gets heated up, initially it is brown in color. Slowly, it turns into a little, orange, and then finally it turns into red. Okay, so that is how the color of the heat changes. Okay, in general, we know that green is usually lighter in color, that is colder. Okay, somewhere also blue is shown as a colder, and red is always heater. So you can select the different portion. Okay, so for example, you can go to edit color and select the different forms of color you want to display that. So you can select for the step color, reverse, full color range, and so on. Again, in case of tooltips, okay, we have got gender and the marital status attached here from the insert option. Okay. So when we hover around on Thailand, we know total number of people in Thailand is 353, and only 140 females and 213 males are there in Thailand. Okay, so that is the advantage of showing into the tooltips. Okay. So we can put now we can this filter we have put iteration in the filter itself. Okay, now iteration in the filter is that we say no, it means that they are working. If the iteration is yes, they are left the organization. And then similarly we have prepared for people who have left the organization. Now this is the simple line diagram on the year of joining. Okay, so we have got the year of date of joining. Now in the case of year of date of joining, you see that since it is a calendar here, calendar format. Okay. You see a plus sign here. Okay. This plus sign actually resembles is that it's you can break into quarters. Quarter will be broken into months. Months will be broken into days, and so on. And then you can also collapse the data. So that is the advantage of having the filter. So this is basically what we call as the drill down. Okay, so if anyone asks you during the time of those who will be giving the interview for HR analytics or for data visualization, and they ask for the drill down is basically going to the next level of hierarchy. That is what we call as the drill down. Okay. So in the again we have some year of joining. So when we hover around, we get the year of joining and the number of employees that joined in a particular year. Similarly, the data for the date of leaving has been prepared. Okay. This data has been prepared in the line diagram, and this data has been prepared in just a text. So we have got in countries, we have got Indonesia, Malaysia, okay, and then we have here we have got different conditions. Okay. Now that is similar for the date of joining, but here what is happening is that a number of things has been added into the tooltips. Mm. So when we see that tooltip, so when we hover around in, so we have got in 2014 employee joined is 185, who joined Indonesia 33, Malaysia 49, Singapore 52, Thailand 51. In 2014 till date, year number of employees who are working is 75. Those who have joined in 2014, and those who have joined in 2014 left in 2014 itself, and 15 4 people, 16 1 people, and so this only is not a data visualization. This is also giving you what we call as the diagnostic analytics. Okay, so you can diagnose how many people are living in which year. Okay, so for further analysis, further diagnosis will be required to go into detail of how the people are working in that. Similarly, you can have the detail related to working. Okay. And then on the job roles, you have this different sheets. Okay, so you can on the different job roles, healthcare representative, 15 females, 60 80 males, that I've already explained you using the tooltips here. Okay. Now once you have done with all the sheets, now the next part is to create a dashboard. Dashboard is basically creating putting all the information in one place so that any person can utilize that. So in the dashboard, you see here that is there are two options, that is called tiles and floating. In case of floating, you can just put the sheets anywhere. The sheets will be inserted here. Okay. Then you can add some horizontal bar. You can add the images. So whatever you have seen in different gallery in the Tableau public, that different images has been added. The different images can be added from here. Some extensions can be here. Downloads can be added here. Blank files can be, and the web pages can be added here. So whatever the dashboard that we created, so we created three dashboard, that is maps, map working, and map left. So this is the display. This is the we have put that employee distribution by country, employee working by country, employee left by country. No, at the same place in the same area. Okay, so we can say that total number of employees that has worked or left entire into this area, according to our data, 353 actually worked in Thailand, have worked or working in Thailand. Out of those 353, 304 are still working in Thailand and 49 has left that. Okay, what is the demography of that? You can say one and for 40, 140 males and 140 females and 213 males, and similarly you can get the data for the left and the employees and the working employees. Okay. You can add n numbers of different thing, but don't make it too clustered. Okay, because if it is made too clustered, it will not good look good. Okay. Then we can have one another dashboard that will be showing your details related to your department. Okay, and then relate details related to your job roles. Similarly, we can have another dashboard that will be showing your date of joining. Okay, and that date of joining also contains the related to information related to different demography. Okay. Then we can have a simple details related to gender and marital status. Once this has been read, we actually what we do in our day work when we are not comfortable or have not been using Tableau is that we just collect that data, make it in Excel sheet or whatever this, and put it in the PowerPoint presentation. The advantage of using the Tableau is that we can make all the data in Tableau itself in the worksheets, convert that into a dashboards. So one dashboard showing all the information, and then using the thing called story in the Tableau, we can write or prepare the presentation for that. Okay, so we can say that this is my story, and this is how we can show the presentation view. So this is the data related to, this is the story of my company. This is the details of my manpower. This is the detail of my demography. This is the joining analysis report, and so on. So this kind of way the data can be prepared and presented in the dashboard itself. So one particular thing is there, that is in Tableau. What we have the advantage here is that we have got do the n numbers of different calculation that is there. Okay. Once we do the calculation, we can prepare the dashboard, and on the basis of that, we can write the story only in Tableau. Okay, so we do not need to go into PowerPoint presentation or anything like that. We can just download it, prepare the data, connect the data. We see it in the last video how to connect the data, connect the Excel sheet, connect the Excel sheet, uh, uh, use the dimensions and measures, create the visualization, and once the visualizations different sheets are connected, use the tooltips to get into more details into that, create a dashboard. Once the dashboard has been created, you write the story from using the dashboard. That will create an entire view for that. This is an overview of the Tableau. Okay, the entire course on Tableau is not the part of that. Just I have given you the overview of that. The link will be provided. You can download the Tableau workbook and prepare your own.